When it comes to winging it, we never say you can't do it on your own, but whether it's going to get your hair cut, needing repairs on your car, or sorting out your taxes, many things in life are best left to the experts. And when you factor in the following, it makes a lot more sense setting yourself up on a working holiday ahead of time with us. Visa applications aren't impossible to figure out, but they can be tricky. Many applications require multiple documents and need to be carefully filled out. And if you are unsuccessful with your visa application or apply for the wrong one, you may find yourself out of pocket hundreds of dollars, or worse, get denied and never get to go on your adventure. When moving to a new place, let alone a new foreign country, it can take 4 weeks at minimum to find a job and start working. In that time, you have no income, so you'd be missing out on at least a month's full-time wage while also having to pay for your living expenses. All up, this can end up costing you a couple $1,000s or more. Imagine applying for a place to live after just arriving. Often, you're forced to take whatever you can get, as local landlords do prefer to have tenants long-term and with local references that they can check. Not to mention, finding suitable housemates can take time unless you're wanting to live by yourself, which can be very expensive. It can be extremely difficult knowing where the best places to live and work actually are. More times than not, this is a once-in-a-lifetime trip, so you don't want to waste months figuring out if the location you end up in is actually the one you want to stay in. It can be tough trying to make new friends, especially if you're not in a fun, sociable workplace or location without like-minded people around you. And perhaps the biggest factor, who wants to put themselves through all that hassle and stress of doing it on your own, then if it doesn't work out, having to come home after only a short time away? That'd be embarrassing. Be fully supported by a dedicated trip coordinator and arrival coordinator. Land a full-time job before you arrive with a guaranteed interview. Make new friends through our Traveller Social Network. Enjoy possible job perks like staff accommodation, discounts for meal experiences, and feel safe and secure with a 24/7 emergency line and ongoing support from our local team. There is a reason thousands of customers trusted us to turn their working holiday dream into a reality. Save yourself a ton of time, hassle, and stress by getting started with us today.